Yeah, 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 yeah. T-Ray, I feel good. Let's kick it. This is it. It's finally here. Been waiting all week for the weekend. I check my watch. It's 8 o'clock. Walk out the door, hop in my drop top, and then I call my crew, ask them if they ready. Tell them that I'm on my way. We bout to party. It's going down for sure. Can't wait to hit the floor. And every time we do it, they always scream for more. Ooh, I can't wait to go. Ooh, I can't wait to glow. Every little problem we had through the week, now we can let it all go. Just let it all go. You see the best of me tonight. Under the moonlight, I'm gonna shine. You see the best of me tonight. There's no need to worry, everything is alright. Yeah. Oh, 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 now it's on. We in the spot. Everybody jump around. Yeah, it's going down. Then I met these girls. They said, what's your name? I said, if you don't know me, girl, then you ain't got no brain. She said, oh, I know you now. You that dude from around town. I just came over to say hi, 'cause I wanna get down. And I was like, girl, we can go and get it up. See the flow over there, I set it up. Tell the waiter, I don't even drink that empty gas right and fill my cup. Now you see the best of me tonight. Under the moonlight, I'm gonna shine. You see the best of me tonight. There's no need to worry, everything is alright. Yeah. Oh, 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 Now don't stop, get it up. Don't stop, get it up. Don't stop until you get enough. Say don't stop until you get enough. Say don't stop, get it up. Don't stop, get it up. To the floor, let's go, let's hit it up. Say don't stop until you get enough. You see the best of me